Hi Pash. Yeah, so in this issue, basically this permission is not working, expertise level. So I created this role, new joinee, and I have removed this permission. I given all other permissions. Now I'm going to log in with the user having this permission. Yeah, but before that, okay, there is another permission assigned to that user. So this permission also doesn't have this role is also doesn't have this permission. Alright, so I have logged in with the user having this permission. So this is the logged in user currently. It's Vijay, and the role. So basically, these two roles doesn't have expertise level permission. And if I go to that page, this page is accessible. And yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.